Here's how to publish a landing page in Unbounce. So right here in Unbounce, under all pages, you can see all the pages that you have created, and you just need to click on the landing page that you want to publish. So after you click on it, you will be redirected to the page overview. And right here on the page overview, on the top of it, you can see your URL, and you just need to change this URL into a unique URL. In order to do that, just click on it, and as you can see, you need to change your domain name and the page path. So it's up to you, whatever domain name you want to use. You can set it up with your preferred domain name and click Save URL. And after you save the URL, just click Publish, and that's it. You're almost done. You just need to click Publish Page, and that's it. And as you can see, if we go back under all pages, the landing page is now published. You can see it has a green mark, and it indicates that it's already published. And that is how to publish a landing page in Unbounce.